Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Those of you who subscribe, thank you, that's great. So, getting a bit fed up with this and the fact that it's all flat and I want to lift this end up properly. So what I'm going to do now is just drop a piece of timber under there, but I'm going to drill holes in them. I'm going to mark around the end of there, mark around the end of there, cut that off, tidy that up, make a proper base for this thing. Let's get it done. And when you find the drill that will do the job, what you want to do, or the bit, this is flat bit or spade bit or whatever they call it, have a practice first, make sure it works, because it's going in at an angle, so it's a bit awkward. So I've tried, that was my first one, I thought it was okay, it wasn't, so I've tried this one. So that's it now. So what I'm after now is I want to put the side on the pencil marks I've got. So I'm just going to put it just a little bit further out, come into the middle of the timber there, and that's it. I'm leaving it about 1 inch from the bottom. Put that there again, just a little bit further than that. That's about central. That's about as deep as the other one. Let's try it. Let's see if this will work. So I'm going to put them in both like that and then pull it towards me. There you go. That's alright. Right, it shouldn't wander off now. In use now, as I use it, if this moves, it's all going to move. So there you go, improvement. Now I've got to make some blocks. Right, let's make a few, see what it's like. So in here, actually it needs mixing up. In here we've got some coffee going on. So we've got coffee, fine shades. I've got to mix that up first. Back in a sec. Right, let's mix this up a bit. Really smells of coffee. It smells wonderful. Can you see that there? Yeah, you can see that. Right, let's get some done. Let's get a couple done. See how we get on. So, well, that's good. Just the fact that the block is still there. Right, let's do this. So I need a trusty little tamper. I think that might be too thick. Let's see. Ooh, that's a bit thick. And now I shouldn't have to lift it up like that, but I can, can't I? And it falls back into place. Okay, that's alright, I can live with that. First one, what do you think? See how it straight away it goes around like that. That's why you've got to put it down here and get some weight on it. Get some weight on it straight away. That block is going to make such a difference. It's going to hold it there for a bit. When I've got the other 5 on, you'll see. Now I've got the extra moisture from the water. and it's running out quicker. And people have said, why don't you keep this? I am, it's going back into here. I don't really understand what they mean. This water gets used all the time. It filters through there, goes into here, and then the next time I put some in, it's back in there and it's filtering again. So some of the fine powdery dust that's in there, coffee, fine dust, whatever, it gets another chance of going through and help hold the blocks together. Anyhow, that's 2 done. I'm only going to do 2 for today, but I'm going to show you something else, so hang on a sec. Right, so that's that. Now let me show you this. The next thing I want to sort out is, as you're using it, the water comes all over the side here on the initial pull down. So I'm going to, at some point, put some corners in here. You can see evidence of where the water's been, where it's clean. So it only needs to come up here, from that corner there to here. Stop the water coming out here, stop it all going down there, running down onto the floor. So that's another design flaw with the Multimate Briquette press. It's got flaws and we're sorting them out. So we'll get in there. But this is better. That works all right actually on the back there.